razonable.
Good evening, everyone. I am Lilibet Razonable from GMA Network. I represent the entertainment group. And we had the honor and the privilege to work with Tita Glo in many hit programs, including Mantia Heredera, I think Meant to Be, and of course, the most memorable to me and to many of us was the Ikay ng Lola ko. I think it was about 3 years that we had the pleasure of working with her, and it was a hit show for 3 years, and until now, with our replay episodes, they're still rating very well, doing very well on television because of the beautiful stories that Tita Glo told in that TV series, and we will forever be grateful, Tita Glo, for not only lending us her great talent, but as Jillian said a while ago, sharing wonderful stories and teaching us many lessons about love and about being graceful in everything. And on a personal level, even after she had left the Ikay ng Lola ko, she would text. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I would be text mates with the Queen of Philippine cinema. And she would just make kamusta or even say, I love you, I miss you. And when she would watch some of our shows and she would like them, she would text and congratulate us na napanood niya and she's enjoying. So talagang until the very last, she was such a sweet and elegant lady, and forever she will be in our hearts. We love you, Tita Glo. And we just have a little plaque of appreciation from GMA, which I would like to give to Marites. So, it's a long letter, which I won't read anymore, but I will just give to Marites.
Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po.